Good morning, today is December 7th, 2018, and today's refinishing project is located in Discovery Bay, California. So let's check out the job for today. Okay, so we have this bathtub and tile surround that we're going to be refinishing today. We're going to be doing this one in a China white. It's not in too bad of condition. However, the customer has other new fixtures in here and they want to update this color. So this will be a full day job to complete, and we'll follow up once we're done. Okay, so there's a finish up video of the bathtub and tile surround here in Discovery Bay, California. Let's take a closer look. Turned out really nice and shiny. The color is very close, similar to the toilet here, so they're matching up pretty nice. All right, so if you're interested in any of our refinishing services, you can reach us at 925-516-7900, and we service the entire Bay Area. Thanks for watching.